The Industrial Revolution was born in Great Britain because of natural resources such as coal, water power, rivers and harbors, and iron.
In the beginning, there were trees, a lot of trees, trees everywhere. Then, trees started disappearing because factories are starting to be built, and more factories, and more factories. Farmers sold their land to wealthy people. They then went to urban areas and worked in factories. We want jobs! We want jobs! Give us jobs!
A process called urbanization began, which meant the population started to grow, which came with the need for more churches, more hospitals, and more stores, along with the need for more housing for the growing population. The population continued to grow, which resulted in the creation of tenement buildings, which could house multiple families as opposed to one.
More factories were being built and construction of railroads began.
Though factories greatly enhanced the production of products, they did have some negative aspects, such as not paying their workers enough, child labor, pollution, and no safety warnings, restrictions, or violations. Though tenement buildings could house multiple families, they did have their downfalls, such as having no building codes, no sanitary codes, and no plumbing. Outraged workers rebelled against factory owners and fought for workers' rights, which led to the formation of workers' unions. Standard of living and life expectancy rise thanks to the revolution. Karl Marx believed that there should be an equal distribution of wealth, that everyone was equal, and there should be no privately owned property. A free market meant that the government could not get involved in commercial affairs. During the Irish potato famine, Great Britain steals Ireland's main food source, the potato, to feed their many factory workers. This causes Ireland to be left in a mass starvation. In order to avoid further casualties due to the potato famine, many Irish people immigrated to the United States.